What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're going to walk through a 2023 Crest Classic DLX 220. So let's climb inside and check out some of the features. Inside the front of the boat here, you'll see that we do have the very typical pontoon seating up front. Up top, you'll see we do have the dual bimini option. So this bimini up top connects right here, zips to the rear bimini, so it keeps it nice and tight, and you have full coverage. As we work back here, you'll see that we do have the dual captain chairs as well. Great feature for a partner or a kid, somebody you want to watch, whoever, sitting right there. Back here in the stern of the boat, you'll see we have the flip seating sun pad here. This headrest is movable, so you can face it to face out the back of the boat, face the front, or put it in the middle to have kind of a bench seating set. You also do have storage underneath those as well. On the back of the boat, you'll see we have a Mercury 200 Pro XS. So that is going to push this boat super well. You guys won't have any problems with power. So if you're jumping from marina to marina or pulling a tuber, you guys will be covered with the power for sure. If you guys have any more questions, hop on to MarineMax.com. Check out all of our other Crest pontoon as well as our other manufacturers. If you guys have any additional questions, contact me, Jake Jones, at 682-282-9969. Thank you.